Hello YouTube, this is PoopSec21 here to show you my Airsoft collection. Over here I have my M249 squad automatic weapon, full metal, a really high quality weapon, made by Echo One. It gets about 330, 350 FPS, kind of low, and you have the 2500 round box mag right here. It automatically feeds automatic wind. There are some feeding issues with the gun, but that's all I can complain about. On this weapon, if you pull the trigger, sometimes it will fire without you pulling the trigger. So that's one major problem with this gun. Yeah. Okay. Here is my AK-47, CMO 32. Yeah, CMO 32, I think. Full metal, real wood. It's a great AK-47. It's probably one of my best guns, actually. Sorry about the upside down camera. It's probably one of my best guns because it's never given me any problems, except for when I started using, I don't know, accidentally got a lot to 0.2 gram. I need to buy some 2.25 sometime. But yeah, this gun is actually a pretty good gun. It gets about 450 FPS. It's really actually a pretty good gun. Version 3 gearbox gives it a lot of FPS, so it's a really reliable weapon. There's barely anything that's ever broken on this gun, except for maybe this is kind of loose, but that can be fixed with screwing that a little bit more. And the plate to the screw fell off and broke and got it just broke off. Yeah. Over here, my favorite gun I haven't gone to use yet, KWA M4 RIS. Okay. It's a pretty awesome gun. Now, the reason I haven't been able to use this gun is because the motor to this was not working properly. I tried to connect it. I reconnected it. Nothing happened. So I had to go buy an AMP high torque turbo motor. Yeah, I got some pretty good attachments on it. I got red dot ACOG sight, flashlight, and C-Star. Pretty bright. It lights up the day. Yeah. My foregrip is pretty comfortable. And my suppressor. Not a very long suppressor, but it's a good suppressor. Now, my least favorite gun. This gas blowback 1911. Watch how many times you have to pull the trigger for that to go back. 3 times. That's why I bought a KWA M9, which I don't actually have at the moment. It's actually shipping right now. I'm going to post another collection video once I get that gun. Over on this side, these are my supplies. I got 4, except for the one in the gun. 4 KWA M4 mags. 4 AK mags. 3 Colt mags, face mask. Bought this at Dick's for like $35, $37. It's a good mask. Fits me well. 2 mags that I use with my M249. And my box mag. In my closet, this is where the rest of my supplies go. I have one bag of, I don't know how many BBs are in this bag, but there's a lot of 0.20 gram black BBs. And here, remove the cloth, remove these BBs. I bet you people can guess what's in here. Cat litter? No. Ammo. These are all Airsoft BBs. Yes, I bought a huge rice bag off of e-bike for about $2.20. 20 gram black BBs. Big mistake. Should have gotten .225. Didn't know much at the time. Gonna empty this bag out into here. But yeah, this is a crap load of ammo. And I feel like I'm gonna run out soon. No, I don't. I think this is gonna last me a couple months. My style of play. I don't play too often with Airsoft because I only have like parties every couple weekends. I have a friend's birthday party on the 6th. And gonna be having a huge Airsoft war. It's gonna be huge. I'm gonna be able to use my M4, which will be amazing in the battle. Yeah, I'm also getting UK Arms M24s and a KWA PTP M9 standard version. Sorry, no tactical. Here's all my green gas. 12 cans of it. Almost 12 cans. Yeah, there's 8, 10, 2 almost empty cans. And about 2, 3 used cans. Yeah, great green gas. Great green gas. And yeah, that's pretty much my collection for now. I'm going to be making another video after this. It's gonna be when I get my CMO35A, my UK Arms M24, and my M9 PTP. Yeah, and bye.